Homework is due at the end of class, and also pop quiz is due tomorrow. Does anybody know anything about the quiz? Okay, if you guys don't know anything about it, that might give you subtracting points. Now, back on subject on canology, this ancient civilization believed that this cane had soul-harnessing powers. Any questions?
Excuse me?
Yes, Murphy.
May I use the restroom?
Me too. I really gotta pee.
Okay. Now, back on subject, the Mayans believe that this could...
Hey, don't you have to go to the bathroom?
Get serious. I just wanted to explore the place.
Okay. Still gotta go pee.
You kids shouldn't be here. Get back to class.
Sure, buddy.
Check this out. What do you think it is?
Let's find out. This place is amazing.
Are we still even in school?
Check that out. Oh, you've gotta look at this.
What do you think this is?
Maybe it's a present?
Do you think Christmas came early?
I guess so. Oh.
Does anybody know the answers to 5A? Anybody? Okay. Okay, probably. Back on subject.
Oh, are you doing?
I do believe it's mine.
You have my thanks, of course, for breaking the seal and restoring my power. But unfortunately, after all these years, I am very, very hungry.
No. Hey, what's that?
I sense many souls here.
Guys, you've got to run. There's a monster and he's eating souls, and I accidentally let him out. By accident.
Haha, very funny.
This is no joke. This is a real killing soul.
Halloween isn't until next week, buddy.
So screwed.
I got a gun in my backpack.
Fool, that's a dang water gun.
It's time for dessert. You fool. I only get my power from my cane.
Thanks for the tip.
Not enough water. Kid.
Take this.
Is that enough water for you now?
Kyle, I thought you were a goner. All that trouble for a stupid cane.
Hey, this sucks. Do you want to skip with me? I'll tell the teacher I gotta pee.
No, I'm fine. I like the way things are.
Any of the questions or answers from this pop quiz on canology? Anybody? Hey, you know what? Back in my day, if this were to happen,